The Sun is about 333,000 times the mass of Earth and produces the same amount of energy as 100 billion hydrogen bombs every second. Light takes roughly 8 minutes to reach Earth from the Sun. In moderation, the Sun does a great job. It helps you get out of bed in the morning, strengthens your bone with vitamin D. It locks all 8 planets into elliptical orbits. What if it disappeared? What about the gravity? What about all the planets? This is deep bright zone, and here's what would happen if the Sun disappeared. We would have nothing to worry about for the first 8 minutes because we would have no idea that the Sun had gone, as the light takes roughly 8 minutes to reach Earth from the Sun. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity travels at the same speed as light. So it would also take us 8 minutes to feel that gravitational force has gone. All the planets, including Earth, would go flying into the space. It would be a great chaos in our solar system. Though free from the Sun's gravity, we would be traveling at the same speed as before, about 18 miles or 30 kilometers per second. So Earth would be traveling at the same speed as always into eternal night. If you were on Earth's night side when the Sun disappeared, you might not notice anything at first, but then the night sky would begin to change. For example, if there were a full moon which shines with reflected sunlight, its light would disappear a few seconds after the Sun's light blink out. On the bright side, our planet retains heat rather well due to the atmosphere, so we would not freeze to death instantly. The stars would still shine and electricity would continue to work, so cities would remain lit for as long as the power lasted. Even the planets would remain visible for a brief time, and it would still take up to an hour for the light from other planets to be reflected back to Earth, so there would be a peaceful glow in the sky. Among other dangers, Earth could eventually slam into a comet, meteor, or even another planet. With no sunlight, photosynthesis would stop. But that would only kill some of the plants. There are some larger trees that can survive for decades without it. Within a few days, however, the temperatures would begin to drop, and any human life on the planet's surface would die soon after. Earth's ocean would freeze over, transforming Earth into an ice world. By then, however, the atmosphere would collapse, radiations would seep in, and Earth would be an inhospitable wasteland, drifting aimlessly through space. As long as Earth didn't collide with any other planets or asteroids, Earth would have traveled 100,000 light years, or the length of the entire Milky Way galaxy. But luck is with you, the Sun is showing no signs of disappearing anytime soon. So guys, what do you think about this? Tell us in the comment section below the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos.